Hey folks, in this episode I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw any number of equal circles in a given circle. In this case, we want to draw let's say you want to draw 8 circles in a given circle. See, so the first thing to do is to let's make it 6. If you were to draw, or let's make it 4. If you were to draw 4 circles in a given circle, you need to draw the given circle first. These are given circle. We need to draw the given circle. So you divide the circumference into the same number of equal parts as the required number of circles to be drawn, and then you join each divisor to the center O. So let's divide it into 4 parts. So another way of saying this is basically all you need to do is you just connect the diameters, the horizontal and vertical diameters to the circumference. So basically this is the procedure. And having done that, the next step is you bisect one sector, and the bisector cuts the circumference at A. Then you draw a line at right angles to OA and extend O1 to cut it at B. So this is O. So all you need to do is you need to bisect one sector. So one of this sector is basically the distance between each of these. So in this case, one of our sectors which we will bisect here is so let's bisect this sector here. So basically this is a quadrant, so we'll bisect this sector here. So all you need to do, you need your bisectors, widen it, and then there you go. This is our bisector, here we go. So all you need to do, you extend this extend the next border of the sector, that's the next division, to meet this bisector. So I'll extend this one here to meet this bisector. The next stage is to bisect this external angle. Then we have this external angle, we need to bisect it, so I'll bisect it here. So this is the bisection process. So now I've done this process, I've bisected them. Now this is the bisection of this angle, and after you've bisected the angle, you're going to draw a circle through O to meet the point. So through this point where the bisector meets the diagonal, the diameter, you draw a circle. Then after that, you now begin to bisect every of the sectors so that you get the center of your circles. So basically I will begin to bisect the sectors. Another way of doing this is basically just draw a line at 45 degrees. So I'll bisect the first sector, second, third, and last. So another way of doing it is just draw a 45 degree line. It will do the bisection for you. So this is the first section I bisected. So I have the second section. So this second section bisected, it is still equal to this one. So I can just follow the line. Then this upward sector bisected. So now these are the centers of the circles, these bisections. So we have the first, second, third, and last. Finally, we need to draw the circles. So just open your compass here. Open your compass, and then you draw a circle. This is the first circle. We also have the second circle. So, but have in mind that these circles, they are going to have equal row line. For the next circle, we have this. So I need to do this draw a circle. This is the second circle. Then we also have the third circle. Okay, rather this circle, this is a mistake. Now this second circle will be drawn here. Let's draw it with this radius. Open your compass, and then you draw a circle. Here we go. Then the third one, we have it should be here. So extend your radius. But most of these things you have to make use of your approximations to draw them. Then for the last one, we have the last one here. So we have the last circle. So basically, this is how to draw a number of equal circles in a given circle. So in this process, you can see that finally we've drawn a number of equal circles in this circle. So thanks for watching.